It is rare that after graduation, a person can immediately find a job and stay with that job until retirement. The solution that I'd like to introduce to you today is built to exclusively help everyone who participate in the gig economy to do short-term contracts and freelance work. This translates to the ability to help and empower over 55 plus million gig workers and 18 plus million people who are currently out of work. As a gig worker in the past myself, I understand firsthand the difficulties of looking for short-term work, the uncertainty of the income, a lot of time searching for leads with the results, and the inability to monetize good reviews. Yearly, homeowners, parents, busy professionals, and businesses pay gig workers $1 trillion. Regardless, they still face with three pain points: not sure about the background ability of the gig workers, not certain about the price they pay, and if something goes wrong, how their voice can be heard. Our solution is called Jobbook, the skill and service marketplace, helping people find job anytime, anywhere, and get help with anything. We talk to gig workers and their customers and build this proprietary trust-based platform that resolves the pain points I've just mentioned. The beauty of the marketplace is a convenient way to compare services and price from a service source, instantly have a level of trust between service providers and the buyers. Impartial reviews of service give new customers the confidence to buy, and users who participate in the marketplace are exposed to different services and service buyers. We have a lot of room to grow. 0.1% of US gig economy is worth $1 billion yearly. Our addressable market size is personalized services with 34% of workers' participations. In 3 years, the gig workforce is projected to jump to 52% of the US workforce. And we definitely need a technological solution like Jobbook to support this jump. Our business model is a freemium model. We also take percentage by transaction, ranging from 10 to 30%, and build a sense of community to reward excellent workers. Our current go-to-market strategy short-term is to focus on New York City and the state of New Jersey. The numbers on the screen explain to you why we choose these market segments. We will use our funding for sales and marketing, more talented team members, technology, and expansion. Jobbook have 4 unique selling points and is clearly the better choice for gig workers and service buyers when being compared with 6 competitors already with tractions. Our team accumulates over 70 years of experience building world-class technological solutions. Our mentors are nationally known experts in business growth, marketing, and branding. Thank you so much for your time. I look forward to connecting with you. If you're interested to invest and help us with our mission, the American Dream, Job and Happy Lives for Everyone.
Thank you. So now any questions?
I'll go straight ahead again. Thank you for that.
Yep.
I don't know if you're able to go back a few slides to the landscape, the competitor analysis, because it went so fast. I missed it. Forward 1 or 2, I think, with Fiverr and Upwork. All that's it, the list. That's it. Just wanted to look at that because I really want things like this to be successful. I've done gig work myself, and I know lots of people, but there are a lot of players in there. So perhaps you could summarize what you feel is different about yourselves beyond just matchmaking, as it were.
Yeah, so we try to stay away from really matchmaking people, even though we have recommender systems and we have AI, artificial intelligence mechanism behind the scene to help people to make a better choice and informed choice. We have 4 unique selling points here. Blind bidding is where people bid not based on just price alone, but other factors. And the amount that people bid will be completely hidden from the public, but only available to the person who lists the need for help. And we also allow people to package their skills into a deliverable projects and sell that as a deal. We also pay attention to mostly personalized services where there's a lot of interactions between people, and we put in there schedule management to help people sell their time in advance and also manage their time more frequently and be able to get more contracts for gig workers.
This is Bill Baker, and I have a question. My initiative perspective is this, to me, this is analogous to a lot of these dating sites, okay? which require a significant capital for either customer acquisition or advertising. Following on the question of a previous judge, what's the strategy there? How do you rise above the noise?
You are right. So as a marketplace, we need both buyers and we need sellers. So our strategy is to focus on big cities and also, pick a segment that other people are not yet working on. As I mentioned about personalized services, our current pilot plan is to focusing on tutoring and landscaping. And these are the areas that we know there's a lot of room to grow, especially during COVID-19 will be a good place to start. I personally meet with service buyers and providers on a daily basis, to understand people and get them to understand about how they benefit from a marketplace like JoBook. And it is built, it's very simple to use. And because the main idea here is for people to get the help they need and get the much needed income they need according to their skills and knowledge. And if you look into others, competitors, it will be pretty intimidating about how the system is being presented to the users. The way we design our system is very genuine, authentic. It's like, we don't want to say it differently, but it's very different because our way of thinking is not interfere by existing competitors when we, put everything together from ground zero.